Now more than ever, human touch, human engagement, and building trust is going to be at a premium.
Believe you were born to win. It's your right to win. Claim it, frame it, 'cause you were.
Artificial intelligence can automate tasks, but it cannot replace trust, empathy, and connection. And as humans, we are wired to require some type of human touch. There's no question AI is going to change the way we do many, many things. It's going to change the way we find information. It's going to change the speed with which we execute. It's also going to, frankly, help us to innovate as we explore what if kinds of questions. But at the end of the day, if you are in a career where there is human engagement, it will not be able to replace you if you learn how to leverage the information part of your job and focus more on building trust, focus more on listening to your clients, focus more on having the time to engage. Many times we can't engage with each other because there are things for us to do, things for us to learn. Well, frankly, that's where artificial intelligence is going to be helpful. Instead of spending 1 or 2 hours to research something, you can spend 20 minutes getting to the right questions to ask the artificial intelligence, getting your answers exponentially faster. And now you have more time to think about how is this information going to be useful to your clients? How can you take this information and leverage what you might want to do a week from now, a quarter from now? How can you use this information to co create with the other person on the other side of the conversation or potentially with a client? Now more than ever, human touch, human engagement, and building trust is going to be at a premium, especially the trust part. Trust is going to be at a premium in the age of AI because each of us has so much information coming our way that we don't know when to trust this versus when to trust that, what source is the right source. And many of us will be checking different types of AI products in order to compare and contrast the answers that we get. So now the question about trust is going to default to who is giving you the information? How are they processing it? How are they presenting it? Is it more compelling than what you can find on your own? And why? That takes some type of human intervention. As a leader, being the person that listens to your team, that thinks about inspiring your team, that helps your team to truly innovate, to help them understand that you value their try as well as their execution. It takes a human to communicate that. They're only going to believe you when they're standing in front of you and they can feel your emotion and feel that you really mean what you're saying. Building trust, showing empathy, demonstrating your listening is going to be more important than ever in this age of AI. Being fully present is also going to be highly valued when we're all distracted looking at phones or other sources of information. If you want to engage with your clients in a way that nobody else can, be fully present, demonstrate that you're listening, connect with them on a human level, because as humans, we all need the connection. We all need to be needed, and you will find that it will put you in an advantageous position in the age of AI. Go get them.